Ever wondered which cars Consumer Reports actually recommends in 2024? Not just the fancy marketing hype, but the real data-backed winners? Today, I'm breaking down the 6 vehicles that have earned top marks through rigorous testing and real owner feedback. From a hybrid that saves you thousands in fuel costs to an electric car that's redefining luxury, these picks might surprise you. And stick around until the end. I'll reveal which of these vehicles has the highest owner satisfaction rating ever recorded. Let's dive into the data. Number 6. 2024 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. First up, let's talk about one of the most impressive hybrid SUVs on the market. The 2024 Toyota Highlander Hybrid showcases why Consumer Reports consistently ranks Toyota high for family vehicles. What makes this vehicle extraordinary is how it masterfully combines efficiency with everyday practicality. Under the hood, Toyota has engineered something special. A hybrid powertrain that marries a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to produce a robust 243 horsepower. But here's what's truly remarkable. This midsize SUV achieves an astounding 36 miles per gallon combined. Let that sink in. That's the kind of fuel efficiency you'd expect from a compact car, not a spacious family SUV. The engineering excellence doesn't stop there. When you're behind the wheel, you'll notice the exceptionally refined ride quality. The cabin stays whisper quiet, and the suspension strikes that perfect balance. Never too firm, never too soft. Number 5. 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. Now, onto something truly exciting. The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. When Consumer Reports gives a vehicle over 90% owner satisfaction rating, you know it's special. But here's the real shocker. At around $68,000, you're getting supercar performance for sports car money. The mid-engine design isn't just for show, it's transformed the Corvette's handling dynamics completely. The numbers are staggering. 495 horsepower from the 6.2-liter V8, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds with the Z51 package. But what really impresses is how it delivers this performance while being comfortable enough for daily driving. The cabin tech and premium materials rival much more expensive European competitors. Number 4. 2024 Ford Maverick. Let's talk about the 2024 Ford Maverick, a vehicle that's rewriting the rules of what a pickup truck can be. Consumer Reports recognize something special here, a truck that combines the utility of a pickup with the efficiency of a modern crossover. The numbers tell the story. 250 horsepower from the 2.0-liter engine, while delivering 42 miles per gallon combined. That's unheard of in the truck world. The hybrid variant takes it even further, though with slightly less power at 191 horses. Here's what makes the Maverick truly special. It drives like a car, but works like a truck. With a 4.5-foot bed and 4,000-pound towing capacity, it's perfect for weekend warriors and daily commuters alike. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifts that make you forget you're driving a pickup. Number 3. 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. Moving to the compact SUV segment, Consumer Reports surprised many by highlighting the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. Now, I know what you're thinking. Really? The Equinox? But here's why this underdog deserves your attention. It delivers something rare in today's market. Balanced practicality with proven reliability. The 175 horsepower engine might not sound impressive on paper, but here's the kicker. It achieves 31 miles per gallon on the highway in real-world testing. That's exceptional for a vehicle in this class. The Equinox also brings something crucial to the table: outstanding safety ratings from both IIHS and NHTSA. Every trim comes standard with advanced safety features that you'd often pay extra for in competitor vehicles. The transmission might have a slight delay in responsiveness, but the overall package makes this SUV a hidden gem in the market. Number 2. 2024 Tesla Model 3. Now, let's shift gears to the electric segment with the 2024 Tesla Model 3. This isn't just another electric car, it's the benchmark that other EVs are measured against. The latest version has some impressive upgrades that Consumer Reports took notice of. The most remarkable improvement? The cabin noise reduction. Thanks to new acoustic glass, it's whisper quiet inside. But here's what's really impressive. The long-range model now delivers over 340 miles of range. That's not just a number. It's real-world usability that puts it head-to-head with newcomers like the Kia EV6 and Hyundai Ioniq 6. Speaking of performance, let me share something exciting. The long-range Model 3 hits 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. That's supercar territory from just a few years ago, folks. The interior follows Tesla's minimalist philosophy, but now features premium vegan leather and ambient lighting that transforms the cabin atmosphere. Just keep in mind that if you're heavily invested in the Apple or Android ecosystem, you'll need to adapt to Tesla's interface, as there's no CarPlay or Android Auto support. Number 1. 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid. On the top, a car that's earned Consumer Reports' highest honors, the 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid. When Consumer Reports name something their top mid-size sedan, you know it's special, and this one absolutely deserves the crown. Here's what's fascinating. This hybrid isn't just about saving fuel. While it does deliver an extraordinary 52 miles per gallon combined in the LE trim, what really sets it apart is its perfect balance of efficiency and luxury. Think about it. That's nearly double the fuel economy of some competitors, saving you thousands at the pump each year. Inside the cabin, Toyota has really stepped up their game. The new Camry Hybrid comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. And if you opt for the upgraded trim, you're looking at a gorgeous 9-inch infotainment display paired with a JBL audio system that would make audiophiles smile. However, here's something most reviewers won't tell you. While the Honda Accord Hybrid might have slightly better handling, the Camry's proven reliability and resale value make it the smarter long-term investment. And there you have it, Consumer Reports' top-rated vehicles for 2024, backed by thousands of hours of testing and real owner experiences. Before you go, here's something fascinating. Every vehicle we discussed today scored above 80 in reliability ratings, placing them in the top 10% of all vehicles tested. And remember that incredible 90% owner satisfaction rating I mentioned? That's just one of the many data points that make these vehicles stand out. Hit subscribe and the notification bell. Drop a comment below with which vehicle surprised you the most, and let me know if you own any of these top-rated cars. Your real-world experience could help other viewers make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart car buying isn't just about the price tag. It's about making data-driven decisions that pay off in the long run. See you in the next video.